Hi there. Welcome back. Let's dive into something interesting. We're going to talk about two important parameters that affect token usage and, of course, the cost. Sound good? All right, let's get started. Ah, First, let's head over to our website. Go ahead and select the chapter called Cost Affecting Parameters and plug in your API key. Got it? Great. Now let's break this down. The first parameter we're going to explore is max tokens. So, what does this do? Well, max tokens specifies the maximum number of tokens that can be used to generate a response. Let me ask you, what do you think happens when you increase this value? That's right, the response gets longer, but it also costs more. So, you might want to strike a balance here. Keep that in mind as we move forward. The second parameter is called n. What does n do? It's simple. This parameter specifies the number of response choices you'd like the AI to generate for each input. You'll be charged based on the total number of tokens generated across all the choices. So, keeping n as 1 is a smart move to minimize costs. Let's make this fun. How about we ask our AI to tell us a joke? Let's experiment with the n parameter. I'll change the value from 1 to 2. Okay, here's the code. See how max tokens is set to 200 and n is set to 2? This means we should get 2 jokes. Let's submit the request and see what we get. Oh, look at that. There are 2 choices in the response and we've got 2 jokes. But notice something. The token usage for completion tokens has doubled. Why? Because we generated 2 responses. I hope this makes sense now. Alright, let's switch gears and look at the max tokens parameter. Let's go back up. We'll set n to 1 and change max tokens to 100. This time, let's ask the AI to generate a long story. Here we go. The values are updated and we're submitting the request. The response is generated, but it stops midway. Why? The AI hit the maximum token limit. Now, let's take a closer look. The finished reasons in the response explain why the generation stopped. Remember last time? The finished reason was stop, but now it says length. That's because we capped max tokens at 100, and the story, well, it wanted to keep going. Looking at the token usage, you'll notice something interesting. The number of completion tokens is exactly what we set for max tokens. Pretty cool, right? So what's next? I'd say, go ahead and play around with these parameters yourself. Try different values and see how they impact the AI's responses. It's the best way to learn. Good luck and have fun experimenting.